What does the term social structure mean to you? Social structure is very important in the social world because it provides the framework within which we interact with others. This framework is an orderly, fixed arrangement of all parts that together make up the whole society or group. A society is a large social grouping that shares the same geographical territory and is subject to the same political authority and dominant cultural expectations. The social structure of a society has several essential elements: social institutions, statuses and roles, and social groups. Social structure is also important for our human development. As discussed in Chapter 3, we developed a self-concept as we learn attitudes, values, and behaviors of the people around us. When these attitudes and values are part of a predictable structure, it is easier to develop that self-concept. Social structure gives us the ability to interpret the social situations we encounter. How about the social structure in your own life? What about your family, your school, and the police? For example, we expect our families to care for us, our schools to educate us, and our police to protect us. When our circumstances change dramatically, most of us feel an acute sense of anxiety because we do not know what to expect or what is expected of us.